Hello, welcome to my channel, A Hit for Truth. Well, something is cooking. What's cooking? A big pot of FUD on steroids is cooking. And I still believe in this asset XRP. I also believe that the crypto market is going to surprise people this year. Remember, I put out a video a few days ago, maybe a week ago or 2 weeks ago on WikiCat, and some people were like, don't talk about all these trash coins, whatever. Last 24 hours, WikiCat went up by 15%. That's the kind of thing I'm talking about. People are just going to be surprised. Just take your position. If you're holding XRP, don't quit your position. Don't sell your coins. Not financial advice. Do your own research. And to help you do your own research, I'm going to give you something that has just come up, okay? So now, the CEO of BitGo, I have it here. I'm just going to read it to you. It's on CoinGape. I'll link the articles on CoinGape 5 hours ago, all right? The CEO, BitGo CEO, his name is Mike Belshi. It says he criticizes Ripple's XRP, saying that it failed to become a go-to bridge currency. He claims that according to Belshi, Ripple launched the RLUSD stablecoin to replace XRP. That's a big, massive claim. It means all of you who have bought your XRPs have to just sell it and run for the hills, all right? And go buy RLUSD and just sit there. I mean, this guy takes a big swipe. He says, stable coins dominate cross-border payments, says Belshi. Now, people who have been watching would say, well, look at, maybe that's why Ripple wanted to buy Circle. But then we later heard that Circle now was sitting on the XRP ledger. They're now on the XRP ledger. Maybe it's true. That's why RLUSD was minted, and now it's what, it's well over $500 million, of RLUSD, and you can set your trust line to Zaman wallet, and maybe that's how the off ramps would be. Oh my goodness, maybe this is all true. So is it true? Let me say one thing first of all. I don't believe that the BitGo CEO, Mr. Belshi is. I don't believe that he is. He's a privy to all of the 1,700 non-disclosures. I am not as well. So what are we doing? We're watching how things are moving. So now, let me tell you what he said, and then I'll go to why I think this is either hypocritical or just doesn't make any sense. Follow me closely. So he says, RLUSD kills XRP's bridge currency dream, CEO says. At the American Bankers Digital Banking 2025 conference. This is a massive conference, and this is where he says this. He says, it says, BitGo CEO Mike Belshi asserted that Ripple's long-held ambition for XRP has failed. Now, Crypto Airy picked that up. I'm not going to go into what she said because I want to save time, but you can check her channel out. I think she's on X as well as YouTube. All right. So the proof, he added, lies in Ripple's recent launch of the dollar-backed stablecoin RLUSD. So what he's saying is basically Ripple launched RLUSD because their dreams of using XRP as a bridge currency between banks, between non-financial banking institutions, moving money, cross-border payments has failed. Now, do I agree with this? No. Well, look, let's keep going. Ripple voice Crypto Airy highlighted Belshi's scathing criticism of the token via her recent expost. Building on his comments, Crypto Airy highlighted the need for more development in the Ripple space. So you can see the cracks, right? Of course, I agree there should be more development, and that's happening. Belshi's criticism of XRP and endorsement of RLUSD follows the stablecoin recent surge, with its market cap approaching 500 million. So today is June the 20. What is today's date, my friends? So I'm recording this on June the 23rd. It's a Monday, all right? And this came out 5 hours ago. Now, if I refresh it, maybe I'll be able to tell. I'm just using my other phone here. So 5 hours ago. All right, but let me show you something else. On June the 2nd, watch this. This same CEO of BitGo, all right, BitGo, we have news, Vivo Power, right there. Vivo Power, all right. BitGo enters strategic partnership. So the CEO who is saying this 5 hours ago, it was published, I'm not sure where he said it, but it was at the Digital Bankers Conference, right? He said XRP is finished, is dead, they failed, all right? Well, this same company, BitGo, enters a strategic partnership with Vivo Power to facilitate its initial 100 million XRP acquisition for treasury strategy. So Vivo Power on June the 2nd, that's the date right there. Right there, June the 2nd. I'm just showing you. I don't have time to sit on a computer and do this and then edit it and all that. I'm just showing you raw quickly because I saw this and I want to get it out to you guys. All right. So New York on June 2nd, 2025. BitGo, the leading infrastructure provider of digital asset solutions, and Vivo Power International PLC, NASDAQ. A publicly traded company. You know what a publicly traded company means? It means you have shareholders. You are going to be playing with people's money, people's lifeline. You're like, how would you do this, right? They're risking a lawsuit. Like, why would you go and take $100 million? Well, Vivo Power raised $125 million, and they put $100 million into XRP. Listen, it's right here. Vivo Power will exclusively leverage BitGo for both the trading of its XRP holding through BitGo's 24/7, 365 over-the-counter trading desk, and holding of its asset through BitGo's best-in-class custody platform. As a result, Vivo Power Vivo Power, whatever you call it, is expected to benefit from BitGo's liquidity, robust execution capabilities, and secure cold storage infrastructure. So, listen to this. Kevin Chin, executive chairman and CEO of Vivo Power, said, Vivo Power is committed to driving value for our shareholders by building out a leading digital asset leaders like BitGo. For our shareholders by building out a leading digital asset treasury strategy, a mission we plan to accomplish through partnerships with best-in-class digital asset leaders like BitGo. BitGo's track record, combined with its institutional-grade secure by design, custodial and trading infrastructure, makes them the clear choice to execute and safeguard our treasury allocation. Then Mike Belshi, CEO of BitGo, the same guy who says XRP is dumb, this is what he said. Vivo Power's commitment to digital assets is a testament to the institutional momentum building around our ecosystem. We are proud to provide the comprehensive platform that companies like Vivo Power need to enter the digital asset space. So they're entering the digital asset space. So they didn't go for Shiba Inu. They didn't go for ADA, Cardano. They went to XRP and they put $100 million down on it. The partnership underscores BitGo's growing, I'm still reading, position not only as a trusted custodian, but also as a premier trading partner for institutions executing large block trades. BitGo's OTC desk, over the counter, enables efficient access to deep global liquidity pools and discrete execution of high volume trades, all within a secure and compliant environment. It says Vivo Power has filed a registration statement, including a prospectus. Look, I'm going to stop there. Why would they be going to invest in XRP as a strategic reserve investment? Because they believe that it's going to rise in value. I watched a video this morning on X where a gentleman was talking. He showed a 43-second clip of Robert Mitchnick, who used to work for Ripple, who basically designed, he and Susan Athey designed the XRP calculator, the digital asset calculator. And I mean, he moved from Ripple to BlackRock and became the head of their digital assets. He's spearheading their digital asset, their incursion into the crypto space. Robert Mitchnick said he sees an XRP of $4,300 not too far from now, at the time of the recording. Maybe I can link the video too for you guys to see. But the point I'm making, I hope I remember to do all this, but I want you to see the articles. So one is on June 23rd. We're reading that the CEO of BitGo says XRP, they failed. Ripple failed in their dream of XRP. But on June 2nd, he takes a client of his and helps them facilitate $100 million investment into XRP. You can't make this stuff up. Do whatever you want to do. If you're new to crypto and you're wondering why I'm so excited about it, buy my book. It's $18.99. It's in the description. It'll do you good. It'll help you in your journey in the crypto space. Well, thank you. God bless you all. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Share this video. Let me hear what you think. In my opinion, this is one of the biggest. You are going to see the biggest FOD ever. David has been talking about it, XRP Veil for years, and many other people, who are in this space have been talking about the way the FOD will be serious. You know what? I'm not giving up. I'm not letting go of my. By the way, you're supposed to invest what you can afford to lose. But at this point, with the values that we're seeing, do we want to lose what we have? You know what? The FUD will only get thicker, tougher, and crazier. But thank you all for listening. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.